In this video I will tell you how to use our the Bitcoin Premium board for joining our the Bitcoin Premium. You can see, this is our main free channel of the Bitcoin. If you have not joined, then you can join by the link of the description. You can see this is the trade that was given in our premium, and chart was also shared here. And this is also high full TP hit, and away TP1 done, BTC full TP hit. And look, you can see, also see these kinds of charts are also been shared. And you can scroll up and down, and you can check everything before joining. Okay. And after taking profit in long, we shorted and also hit TPs. If you have will to join our Bitcoin Premium, checking everything, then you can join through our bot. You will see the message in the message or description, and you will check everything and click on the bot. It will be like this. Or if you have used previously, if you have not used it, then it will be a stored option. If you see options like that, this, then you have to click on the bottom corner of the left side menu. Okay, you will click on the menu, then you have to select the options which you want about the things and everything. Okay. To know the membership status, if you have already subscribed. Okay. First of all, I have clicked on the plans. So there are the plans. You have to select the plans. There are 5 plans: 1 month $25, 3 months $65 for 90 days, 6 months $109 for 180 days, 1 year yearly plan for 365 days, $199 lifetime, no fee, no extra fee. And it's for $99. And there are also many 10 plus advantages as well for lifetime as well. You If you have to wanted to join for the monthly for 30 days, then you have to open, no, not clicking on the one to, not replying with the one to, you have to open and click on the your selected plan. Like I have selected 30 days plan. So this is the step by step process. Now I will have to select the USDT BEP20 or TRC20 address for the payment, if in which you are very convenient and easily able to send USDT of 25. Price is 25 USDT for validity 30 days. 30 days. You have to select the TRC20 or BEP20. I'm selecting here BEP20. Both will give you address that will be like this. You will click on that. It will be, you will click on it, will be copied exactly. If you will click on, just tab, and it will be copied to your clipboard. And you can send USDT to that address. Now the main thing, if you see that option, you have to just do one thing: pay and send screenshot of the payment. No other messages after that. Okay, submit your screenshot, transaction screenshot. You have to send the transaction screenshot. So do as it is. Don't apply your own things. Now I have to select other things, everything. No, this is the step by step process. First you have to, if you are using for the first time, click on start. Then click on the plans, select your plan by clicking on the plan. Okay, after selecting your plan, and there will be two options: TRC20 or BEP20. And you have to select whatever you are convenient. So I have selected BEP20. So this is the address. Click on the BEP20 and it will be copied. Pay, and now bot is asking for a screenshot. Now I am sending a screenshot, I have to send a screenshot of like this. Okay, I'm sending this screenshot. I have sent this screenshot. You will see like this, exactly like this. So it will be we have forward it. You will receive like this message, not this. Not I will receive like options like approve or reject. After checking and everything, I will approve, and if it's a fake screenshot, then I will reject. Okay, now we have forwarded you will receive like this message: we have forwarded your request to the admin for approval. Meanwhile, take it will take some time. Okay, so you can see from the upside there was a discount, and also let me show you some fake screenshots. So avoid fake screenshot, I will reject it. Okay, so this was the man. He entered two times, I approved just one. Okay, so just one. Here was the lifetime member, and let me show you some fake screenshots so we can understand that fake screenshots are not being approved. Look, so this was the man. He paid and got subscription. Abhi and this Yusuf got subscription with real payment. So this was a fake screenshot and he got rejected. Okay, so you can check everything before joining. So now this, for example, this screenshot is the valid, and I will click on approve, and whenever I will approve, you will see like this is our previous account. So already in the it's already in the Bitcoin Premium. So you will see like validity extended. Okay, you can see 2016 and already a lifetime. It's mean 90 years from now. No one will live from the current age. Okay, so rules will be like this. Okay, and you will see join option. It will be first of all you have to uh, click on the join option. There will be a hidden join option, and you will see like I will show you at the end, and I will also show you in the chat as well. And first click on the join option, then click on the rules. Okay, if you will click on the first on the rules, it will be like a invalid click. So first you have to join. There will be a like the this for example, this will be the word, and there will be a hidden join option. It will be written like join. So you have to click on the join. It will be premium, and look, so there are the rules, and this will be the premium. Look, where we show everything. BTC entry didn't field, Doge running, and algo didn't field. So wait, tau didn't field. Yeah, it's mean this is our premium, and you will get everything in this premium with trades. And for lifetime member, there are extra chat groups as well, and many other things for lifetime as well. So this is the way of joining our the Bitcoin Premium through our the Bitcoin Premium board. This is the video. If you have any question, then write down in the comment box. And first of all, if you have not joined our the Bitcoin free channel, the link is given in the description and pinned message as well. Click and join now.